Hello everyone, hope all is well today. Today we'll be discussing the question 7 from numerical variables. We will be discussing rather the Minitab component of the question. Here we found data from a data file called Election 2011 Maritimes. And we're asked to do many different things, but partly a lot of this is to build a visual representation of a numerical variable, which is the percentage of rejected ballots. So I'll show you how to do this with Minitab. And also all the other questions essentially deal with just trying to find some descriptive statistics and using them. And so I'll show you how to do this with Minitab. Okay, and so we'll go inside of Blackboard. The data for question 7 will save as, so save the link as, and I'll put it in my documents folder. So it's called Elections 2011. I'll just change the name a bit, and it's a text file. Okay, and so now I'll go to Minitab, and then I'll go to File, Open, and then we'll find in Documents, and the name of the file was called Elections, and so Elections 2011 Maritimes. And then as I open the file, there are many different columns. The first column is actually the name of the writing. Second column, which is our numerical variable of interest, is a percentage of ballot rejected. So 0.5, for example, of the ballots were rejected, 0.5% of the ballots were rejected in Avalon. Okay, and then there's some other variables that describe the writing, but here we're essentially going to be interested in the second column. And so now if I go into a graph, histogram, simple is fine, so I'll choose that. Choose the second column. This is the variable of interest into the graph variables. Then I press OK, and I'll have my histogram. I can click on different components of my graph if I want to change a few things. For example, if you click on the title, you can change the title if you want. And then if you go to Open, Save Graph As, and then here you can save the graph as a JPEG, PNG, TIFF, a BMP, so a different type of graph which you could insert then inside of a Word document. Okay, so this is the histogram. Then in the question we're also asked to compute the mean, standard deviation for this variable, and also give the 5-number summary. And so if I go to Calc, it's not Calc, sorry, Stat, Basic Statistics, Display Descriptive Statistics, and in variables I'll choose the second column, which is the variable of interest. And then if I click on, in my dialog box, click on a button called Statistics, I can choose the statistics that I want. For example, I don't necessarily want SE of mean, so I'll take that out, but I want to keep the mean, standard deviation. I want to keep the quartiles, the median, the min, the max, that's fine, and then the number of observations. Okay, so then if I press OK, and then Minitab is going to give a, in the output window, a table with the various descriptive statistics. And so here n is 32, so we have 32 observations. The mean is 0.6594, standard deviation is 0.2917, and then we have the 5-number summary, which is the min, quartile 1, the first and the third quartiles, the median, and the maximum. So this is the 5-number summary, and then with that we have the mean and the standard deviation. Alright, so this is how you construct a histogram for a numerical variable and also compute some descriptive statistics for this numerical variable with Minitab. Alright, thank you.